Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Encryption XYZ here, and today I got a new video for you guys, and this video will be about how to add admins and like configure Kohls Admin Infinite, which is basically a model that gives you admin in a game. So if we were to get Kohls Admin Infinite, we would have to go into Toolbox. If you guys don't have this over here, go to View, Toolbox, and click it again until it has a gray outline. Probably be over here. You can just drag it around. I like putting everything over here. So now let's look up Kohls Admin Infinite. Alright, and now any one of these would work, but I'd like to go with this one. And as you can see right now, you have the model in the game. So to access it or configure it, go into Explorer, View, Explorer, make sure you have it on. And no, actually let's not use this one. Let's go into here and let's write down Kohls Admin Infinite and make it as most taken. Alright, and the first one you got, click on that, click on Explorer, and here you go, you have the model. Alright, so click on the arrow, and under Credit, I'll click this thing and open Settings. Okay, so say that a guy with a username of noob57 exploits your game, and you want to permanently ban him. So if you want to permanently ban him, remove this thingy-majiggy, this username, and put in noob57, the username of the guy you want to ban. Okay, and say that you have a lot of exploiters. So then make a comma and then put quotations mark like this, or you can put like this, and then put the username in between them. Boy65 whatever, and then boy that number. Alright, so whenever this username enters the game, they'll be permanently banned. They won't ever come in there. They will not be able to play. It will say banned from the server. Okay, so now say that you have a good friend, a really trustworthy friend, and you want to add him to the owner's admin. So basically there's like 5 groups of admins hierarchy. Alright, so the bottom is VIP. Like they can never abuse. They can only hat themselves, get hats from the catalog. Mods, they can, it says here, they can kick, mute, and use almost all the commands. And then admins can like can ban, can crash, can like freaking do anything they want. And then super admins can shut down the game like an owner, basically like an owner, pretty much. Okay, but say that you're an admin and you cannot, if you're an admin over here, say that you're give me a second, guys. Say that in between the quotation marks, say you're K99. Okay, you cannot super admin Johnny Boy. You cannot super admin him and put him as super admins. Your rank does not allow you. But say that K99 is a super admin. Then he could put Johnny Boy as an admin. But K999 cannot put Johnny Boy as an owner. Alright, only the owners can put owners as admin. Okay, so now that's done, let me just do that. And if you're an owner of a game, it automatically puts you as an owner over here. Okay, let's put my username here, just for now, just to be sure. Okay, so over here you have the style options. You can configure this in game, but yeah, I'd rather configure this in game, but for this purpose of the video, I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Okay, so I wouldn't touch this, and this one I'd just leave it. Okay, so if you want to change a color, just change it around until you get what you want. I believe if we were to do this, then it would be a red. I'm not sure though, and the transparency is how you can see it go through. Here, let me just play the game right now without touching anything. Let's put it back. I'll change it in game, alright, for you guys. And if you change it in game, it saves to the script no matter what. And yeah, we'll just do this in game. It's better. Okay, but you can, I think you can change this in game as well. But if you want to change it, the prefix is basically what you say. For example, if I'm gonna do, if you just want to do admin Johnny Boy or whatever, alright, if you want to admin him, Alright, you'd have to put a prefix before it, like a slash or a colon. Basically, it tells the server to admin Johnny Boy. But if you were to do this without the colon, without a prefix, then it would just be you just talking. Alright, but so that you would just want to talk without any prefixes, then you would close this, and then this would tell the server to do it. But if you have, say for example, let's put a semicolon, then it will just be you talking. But if you want to make this thing work, then you can put a semicolon over here. Okay, but let's leave it as default, which is a colon. Okay, command bar, it's alright, you have logs, so a free admin basically gives you free admin. Public logs for all users to see if an admin abuses, set this to true. And by the way, if you guys want to set anything to true, don't put it true capitalized, put it true lowercase, okay? Alright, and let's play in game. Let me just, who cares, they're fake accounts anyways. Alright, so let me just close this, let me save online, and then let me play it. Just ignore this, guys. Let me play this thingy-majingy, this game. Open it up. Play. Alright, hopefully it does work, and it should work. Alright, so here we go. We are the game creator because we own the game. It automatically puts you as game creator. You're over owner admin, okay? Now if you were to click on admins, here's your admins list, alright? So let's play with settings a bit. Let me just open logs. Logs shows you everything. Wait, let's just say random things. And logs shows you if someone abuses or not. It shows you everything they say. So say that I want to do jump me. If I was then to open logs again. Wait, give me a second. Kill me. And then as you can see right now, it shows everyone in the server that encryption XYZ has said kill me. But then if you say kill Johnny Boy, and Johnny Boy's not in the game, so it would not put it here. Okay, but now let's say that you don't like this thing over here. You don't like the, what's it called? The style of this, the UX of this. So then you would open settings. Wait, no, it's settings with an S at the end. And you want to click this thing over here. Now, if this only works for game creators or owners, admin. Okay, so you have so many options. As I said before, you can change the prefix here. You can make this to public logs if you want. You can put fun commands for everyone. Now this says if you were to put your hat or like a gear on the floor and no one picked it up for 60 seconds, then it would delete it to cause less lag. If we were to put open bubble chat, wait, let's just do this. As you guys see right now, it's a default. Now if we put bubble chat on, look what happens. Wait. Let's open chat too. Wait. Oh yeah, there you go. As you can see right now. Wait, let's put this over here. Oh yeah, alright, so let's leave it there. Close this. Now let's close this, and then I watch over here. It goes as like a new nice style. Alright, let's open settings up again. Hopefully I put this. Yep. Okay, so now play around with the colors. I'm not pretty sure about the colors, but it would then, give me a second. Nope. Why is it not doing that? Well, I'm not sure about the colors, but you can put, I know if you look up the colors of Roblox and put the codes in here, then it would work. But look over here now. Just look at the style over here. Let's make this to 0.25. Look how dark it becomes. Let's put 999. So now look, basically it's white. Alright, but say then you want to make it just black, pure black. Then here would be pure black as well because you're just changing the style. Okay, say that you don't know any commands. Then put commands, or I think if your commands is like that, it would open commands again. Now here you have all the commands you can do for your hierarchy, your rank. So that you can fire me. Wait, fire me. Why is it not working? Give me a second, guys. Let me F3X me. Yeah, then that works. Let's do flaying me. Some commands are not working though, which is a bit odd. Maybe because it's my settings. Let's close this. I don't like this style at all. Let's put this 0.75 as it was. Fly. Alright, yeah, it does work. It does work. Fly works. You can always do it on fly. But if you have commands, like I said, and you know a guy said it once, and you want to make sure it's there, so you can just look up. So let's say we want to explode. Type in explode here, and then it gives you the command. Explode. Hopefully it does work. Why isn't it working though? Oh, it's probably because I'm the only guy in the server. Okay, so now, or maybe because I have fun commands on. That's why. Wait, yep. Okay, that's why. Yeah, you guys can always play around with this and find things. Because I just made this. And say that you want to find the day of your account, like how many days old your account is made. Just do age and then the player's name. And my account is 1 week old. I just made it. And then you can copy tools. You can count it down. Let's do CC 100. Wait, no, does it count down 100? And it counts down for you. So that you want to have a sword fight game. You want to count down. Goes to 0 and then you go fight. Do countdown 1 in 1 second. Say that you want to. I think this would work. Explore me. Yeah, it shows you. This is only for game creator, by the way, guys. You guys can play around with this. On delete. Can we delete this thing? Delete. Yeah, it doesn't save, by the way, guys. It doesn't. Now we just deleted the floor by Explorer, much like you're in Studio. Alright, so let me leave the server before I die more. And that's basically it for this this video. So please leave a like and comment below if it works for you guys. Alright, and have a good one, guys.